And it's a wrap. Over 2 days of Innovation 2025, we had the opportunity to speak to 300 plus public sector leaders at our stand, diving into key challenges and opportunities shaping public services. Our Chief Technology Officer, Ashish Kapoor, is ready to share the key barriers we witnessed from our conversations at our stand, and most importantly, how we can overcome them together.
We heard the same challenges over and over again. Many public sector organizations still have siloed data and legacy systems, preventing them from unlocking its full digital potential. We showcased how migrating to a unified Microsoft Cloud platform eliminates these barriers. Transformation isn't just about technology, it's about people. A major challenge we identified was the lack of digital skills and change management strategies. AI is moving fast, and civil servants recognize the need for the right expertise to stay ahead. Migrating to the cloud, breaking down silos, and integrating AI isn't just about efficiency. It's about unlocking potentials of public services. Getting started with AI also surfaced in our conversations. Public sector organizations have made huge strides with digital, data, and technology, but the next step is responsible AI integration. To truly unlock AI's potential, it's critical to have strong governance in place. That's where CloudSource comes in. We can help make organizations build ethical and sustainable AI strategies aligned with public sector values.
One message that's been absolutely crystal clear is that a successful digital transformation is born out of people, platform, process, data, and most likely AI. The CloudSource Catalyst programme is the perfect vehicle for those looking to start out on their transformation journey and accelerate their programme. Our free one-day workshop is specifically designed for those organisations looking to take their first steps on that digital transformation journey. If you're ready to future-proof your organisation, please get in touch.